Hey. Hey. To the room.
Hold on.
So what I'm doing is I'm piercing my ear right now, Cody. And I'm going to put this in it. Okay.
Okay. It isn't as focused.
Just hold it steady. You have to hold it. And then
You want me to get it? Did that hurt, Minnie?
it did not hurt at all. Look at that. Now that it's fresh, it's gonna sting like a bitch. Hello. Just say it. Oh.
Okay.
Okay. Now, what you want to do is dispose of what you used.
Wait, you're gonna throw that away?
Yep. It's only a single use.
Can't you sterilize it?
No. Because these are EO gas. EO oxide. That way, keep that away. And then show my ear again.
And
Get the front. Oh no, the front.
end it.
And that is it. Yep.